Talofa everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I don't usually do tutorials, but there's been a few requests to do a tutorial for Le Tuuna, which was recently sung by Josh Tatofi, beautifully sung by Josh Tatofi. And so yeah, just going to go through some of the tar chords. There's a little bit of picking, so I'll try through that as well. So the first verse and chorus, it's all played in the key of G. So there's the G bar chord, then there's also a C2, which is the G, but you just move these two fingers down one to get the C2, beautiful chord there, or you can just play a C, but I prefer to play the C2, it sounds nicer. There's a D chord, and there's an E minor, and an A. So those are the chords for the first verse and chorus. And then there's a picking part in the beginning as well, which starts on the 3rd fret, bottom. And I play that 3 times, and then go to the 5th, 7th, 8th, then back down to the 3rd. Play that once, but then press the 5th one as well, and then down 2 to the 2nd fret. Okay, I'll try that again. And then you start again from the 3rd one. Oh no, sorry, the 2nd one. Play it 3 times. 3, 4, 5th, 7th, and then you play that 7th one 3 times. 5th, 3. Do the same thing again. You play the 3rd one, but you press the 5th and then let go. All right. So that's the first part of the intro. And then the second part of the intro is again play the 3rd fret bottom string 3 times. 5, 7, 8, back down to 3, 5, 2. And then play the 2 3 times. 3, 5, 3. Okay, and then the tricky part at the end of the intro part starts at the 7th fret, bottom string. So you play the 7th, press the 8th, let go and play the 7th again. 5, down to 5, down to 3, okay? 7, 8, 7, 5, 3. Then up onto the 2nd to the bottom string on the 3rd fret, and then the 5th fret, still the 2nd to the bottom string, 4, and then 3. This is what it's supposed to sound like. So I'll play the full intro. So that's the picking part, and so say your friend's playing the picking part, you can play the chords. Start off the G, C2, D, E minor, C, For the intro part, and then we move into the verse, which is on G. G7. C2. D. O to mawita. To G, and there's a bridging chord for the next before the next line. It's usually a D, but you could play the bar chord where the where the dot is here, the second one. G, G7, C2. D, G7, C2, D, E minor. A. Ola ufusi amana tuai D. Then straight into G7. Musu C2. Lepoloma talelama. This G to the E minor. Afaio C. Naubeledi walavalena. E minor. Afai C. So that's the first verse and the chorus, the chords, and then it changes key. Second verse and chorus, it moves from G major to A, but there's a bridging chord that leads into the A, and that's E. So there's an A, there's an A7, there's a D, and there's an E, F minor, B. Those are the chords in the second verse and chorus. So when you're playing the bridging chord E, A7, D. O, E, E. Fa, tu, ulu, fi, A. D. Sorry, E. Le, La upele